You know, the thing that sticks out is how much people care about this. This is a huge part of their lives.
Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti says he feels for the fertility patients abandoned by this Nashville clinic. On behalf of the state, he's suing Dr. Jaime Vasquez, the doctor who opened the Center for Reproductive Health in 1995 and remains in charge. Earlier this month, Vasquez told his staff that he didn't have enough money to pay them, and as a result, lost all of them.
The business collapse seems to have driven everything, so we're still putting the pieces back together and trying to understand exactly how this very busy clinic was not able to pay the bills.
The state believes the doctor's actions are in direct violation of the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act.
The clinic made really big representations about its ability to help people who needed help in this very sensitive, very emotional part of their lives, and it didn't follow through on its promises.
To have something like this happen.
One of nearly 700 patients left unsupported is Chelsea Morris. In the lawsuit, she's Jane Doe 1. I interviewed her just days after the clinic shut down. Chelsea was actively taking medicine to prepare for a scheduled embryo transfer.
So for us, it's a huge setback because, you've gone this far, you've experienced this much, and honestly, it feels like a huge betrayal.
I asked the AG about the embryos and other materials still in the clinic's lab. If the storage tanks are not a certain temperature, the result could be catastrophic.
There was possibly 1,200 pieces of genetic material. That could be anything from embryos to eggs and sperm. So can you say that those are safe?
The tanks are topped off. To the best of my knowledge, they've been kept to an adequate level throughout the transition, but that's only because a lot of people worked very hard to make sure that they were. As this thing collapsed, that was a priority for everybody. They wanted to be sure that there was not some failure of the cooling system.
This litigation could take years. For now, there is a court-appointed receiver in place. That's basically a temporary business administrator chosen to get things in order.
We needed to make sure that even though the business had collapsed, that the resources were being steered toward its ongoing operation to make sure that all the work that these families have put into fertility wasn't lost.
In Nashville, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.